What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy B back with another one. What I need you to do is like, share, subscribe. Turn that post notification on to keep the channel alive. And today we are, I don't know if y'all can hear that or not. Goodness gracious. We are going to DJ's Automotive to get these brakes changed on my girl car. Oh my God. Trash. I'm talking. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not. Especially that one on the right over there. Oh my goodness. We'll get back with y'all in a second. Yeah, so we back. These Johns bad. Woo. Them mugs metal. I'm talking about. I don't know how they even got that bad, bro. Dang, they gotta stay out the brakes and just let this bitch slow down. No dude looking like, what the fuck? It's a halfway house right there. Niggas out there acting like they still in the pen the way they standing out there. But yeah, we in Little Rock about to hit the DJ's Sherwood, North Little Rock, whichever it is considered. This is, look at this white lady looking. She's over looking. Oh my God, this shit is bad. Well, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get over here. It's 8 o'clock traffic. I don't need nobody to hit me or I get hit. Yeah, we done made it here. Damn, this is terrible. DJ's Auto Repair. First bed. Here it's 9:38. I know it say 8. Let me fix her dang clock, cause this is gonna drive me. It ain't PM, it's AM. There. Alright, 9:38. Let's see how fast it take them. Meanwhile, I don't have a appointment. They just told me to show up, so. Hopefully. But I'll get back with y'all here in a second. Yeah. Oh, just dropped it off. My boy too do 10 over here, Bernard should go over there. This shop I have to come over here to see about sunroofs. They do warranty, brakes, suspension, tires, cycle wheel, leather, interior shit too. I never knew that. Never knew that. What's going on? Yeah, they gave me a ride to the crib. They said it was gonna be a couple hours, so I ain't gonna lie. I'm probably gonna take me a little nappity nap. But I don't know, but probably watch a little TV. I might take a nap. I don't wanna oversleep, but I'll get back with y'all when I get over there. Pick it up. What's going on? We back, y'all. Going to pick the old Impala up. Yes, sir. Man, ain't even got no tags on that thing. Y'all ain't even got no tags on this thing, do y'all?
Yeah, he just bought it.
Oh, you just bought it? Oh,
Yeah.
to use it for this?
Yeah. And another Sony camcorder.
Yeah, these things, they real. It ain't big. You can put it in your pocket. Hey, you ain't. I like the wide angle lens they give you, but I lost like 2 of them, and I got another one that was brand new. I didn't use it, and I hadn't used it because it's a magnetic little strip that go on there, and it be falling off. So you have to, like, depending where you recording, you have to be real careful with that one.
I've been wanting to, I've seen the, I don't know who had it online, but it may have been on TikTok or something. But
yeah.
He was vlogging with one of those, and he was shooting a skate video.
Oh yeah. Hey, like I say, it's 4K, and then. And like you can adjust the other settings when you go in there to save it to the format. Like you can save it to the best quality you can, but it take a lot of gigabytes. When, you know, on my the MacBook I got the Air, so it don't yeah, we made it. Yes, sir. DJs, they gonna get you there and to and from and take your money. They gonna do it all. They ain't doing somebody busted their whole rim on that new car. Damn.
Yeah, that car got like 26,000 miles on it.
Sure. I would say it looked pretty new. Appreciate you, man. I mean, they tore that mug up. I don't know what they hit. God damn. Yes, sir. Front and center. Come in here. Get it over with.
Well, you can tell us you owe $205 worth of change if you can get it. Yeah, no, I talked to y'all about that car day before yesterday. I talked to y'all about that car.
Unlock my card.
Call her back, make sure she knows she has to pay that balance.
Wait, hold on. I did 490 stop.
Tried to get you a couple snacks off me, huh?
Do that.
Nah, I'll just play it.
Because that's not the conversation she tried to have earlier.
I just stopped that conversation. You come pay for a car and get it.
You gonna get it pulled up for her? Oh, which one is it?
His is already pulled up.
I'm saying mine.
His
Pull
is
up
here.
tequilas.
Mine front and center.
I mean, Don didn't say anything different, did he?
I didn't get to talk to him. He ran out of here.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, you can pay her a little 205 and she has it.
I'm not sure his pants. He had to leave.
Damn.
Get him to it.
I literally talked to her about that yesterday. And I've gone through the bin to see what all we should do.
That whole alternator blew up right there, boy. Dang.
That's on a 2019 Ford Camaro.
This was?
Yep.
That's crazy.
Caught fire, took out the whole battery.
How long ago was that?
Uh,
That's like something recent.
about 2 years.
Oh, 2 years.
Sign that one for me, brother.
All right. Huh?
$20,000 repair.
20,000 just for an alternator?
Well,
Oh, with some other stuff.
Took the alternator out, the harness for the battery cable, and it ended up having to replace the starter as well.
Dang. You said what year Porsche was it?
19.
19.
Dude, your rotors were past.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna tell you.
Date.
I'm gonna tell you how bad I knew they were, because when I picked it up from her job, because I hadn't rode in it, and when I got in the car Sunday, I was like, I said, what is that noise? And she was like, I think my brakes bad. I said, nah, them was rubbing metal.
Right.
Because at first I thought it was something else than the brakes. I said, they almost were so bad, I didn't even want, I was like, we don't even need to drive this more. That's how bad it
You
was.
better stop thinking and believing.
And then when I looked on the driver's side, I seen the ring once we got back to the house, and I was like, I see.
Look at the passenger?
No, that's the one that was making the most noise.
Because it was
Rough. Yeah, you ain't got no, y'all ain't still got it back there? Or y'all threw it away by that? Oh, okay. Hey, that's what exactly felt like driving. When you stop, you have to get like, you know, when you find you a stopping point. Hey, you just got to get out and let it roll, then just and air brake it on down. Right. Well, appreciate y'all. I'll be bringing my old car up here probably next month or so y'all can tell me what all it need and we can go from there. All right. Do you got the key still? Yeah. I didn't even think that, so I thought maybe it was still in it. No. It's that one at the.
here, right?
No, yeah, this the one right here. All right, y'all have a good one. Jesus. Right out here, them mugs. But every time I get in her car, boy, ain't never got no gas, boy. It's alright. About to get it to the house. Stop on a dime now, boy. Oh, Jesus. Sir. Jesus. Oh, yeah. Got some brakes now. Oh yeah, got brakes now. Hey, old DJs, hey, dang, I forgot to goddamn record the address and stuff for y'all. My bad. I knew they had some cars. I was in there laughing. DJ's Auto Repair. When I take the donk over there to get it worked on, I record it. But if you got Google, DJ's Auto Repair. Oh, actually, I lied. Got a receipt right here. Right here, I'll show y'all. Ain't nobody back there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Hopefully y'all can. Screenshot it, get the info. They work on everything, as y'all heard. They fixed the Porsche. Hey, brake job hit us for $460. Paid cash. Let me get up out of here now. But like, share, subscribe, comment, do all that nice stuff for us. Keep the channel alive. But I ain't gonna let y'all go right now. I'm gonna wait till we go around here and do a couple brake put. But as of right now, hey, I ain't tripping. Ain't no brake lights, nothing. Gotta get the oil change in that car too. But yeah, brakes, they A1 on the hood. Oh, little Papa, get up, boy. God damn. Oh, yeah. Brakes good now, boy. Stopping on all four. On the hood. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, brakes are good now. Hey, y'all heard them. Trash. Hey, she said, hey, they was inspired, boy. Damn, boy. That baby girl out here riding like that. She must have been doing some hell of a stopping in that mud, boy. Oh yeah, ain't no noise making. It's stopping like, oh no. Yes sir, we good. Yeah, stop good now. shaking, none of that. But like I said, like, share, subscribe, comment, share the video, keep the channel alive. More vlogs to come. This video is actually gonna drop today, and it's what, Tuesday? It's gonna drop Tuesday because I'm not gonna pay Zay to do a thumbnail on this because it really ain't much to show. So I'll probably just thumbnail just gonna be a picture at DJ's Auto. That's it, and that's it. Ain't no clickbait, none of that. Just but holla at y'all on the next vlog.